I'm going to show you how to sew in ends. So as you can see, I have plenty of ends, and I'm just going to grab my needle and I will show you how we do it. Now what I'll do is I'll just go up through the stitch, kind of through the middle, and then I will go off to the side and go across through the thickest point so that the thread really gets in there, and then I'll go back through that same knot that's created inside, and that's it. It takes about 3 stitches. That's it. Trim it, move on to the next one. Now with this one, I'm just going to go straight down the middle. And again, I just do 3